In the latest video, we covered the topic of how to create and remove files and directories in CMD. In today's video, we'll discover how to change the color of your command prompt as you can see in front of you right now. But let's make a deal, because I still have something to teach you before jumping into changing colors. So if you stick with me for a while, I'll teach you how to transform your command prompt interface to the matrix. Sounds good? Okay, let's start. If you've been watching my command prompt tutorials, you will know that we can access files and directories by simply saying cd folder 1, and right now we are in folder 1. Also, we could access a file by writing its name, so text.txt, and like this it will open for me a notepad file and it says echo is on. But we can also access our drives, and a drive is a computer device that stores and retrieves information, data, files, programs, and so on. And usually each drive is referred by its own letter. Like over here, we have the C drive, which is the hard drive that stores and retrieves data. You also have the D drive, which is the system recovery drive used to restore files and data. You also have the E and the F drive, which are respectively my DVD drive and a secondary or external storage device like a USB. First, if we use this following command, wmic logical disk get name, I know it's a bit long. As you can see, it will give us all the drives name inside of our machine. This one's the C drive, D drive, E and F. Now how to access our C drive? It's actually very easy. We need to go back 4 times because I have 4 directories right now. I need to go back 4 directories until I arrive to my C drive. Right now I am inside my C drive. I could do whatever I want. I could dir it and see what is inside my C drive. I could also create a folder, so mkdir folder inside C, let's say. And right now if I dir C, let me search for this folder, and there it is, folder inside C. I could also delete it, so rmdir folder inside C, and let me dir C, the folder disappeared. If you want to go to any other drives, just write their name. Let's say I want to go to my D drive, I will write D followed by a colon. And as you can see, I'm right now on my D drive. I could also go to my USB, which is F. And so right now I'm in my USB. I could dir it and see what is inside my USB. I have this folder called my stuff. I could actually create another folder. I could say mkdir folder inside, let's say F. dir USB, and we have folder inside F. I could access that folder, so folder inside F. And right now I'm inside that folder, and I could create a text file, let's say echo text.txt. Let me dir this file, and we have this text.txt file inside folder inside F. Definitely I don't need this folder, I could just delete it, so I'll say rmdir folder inside F, and we'll get an error because we can't delete an unempty folder using rmdir. We need to do the following. I'll say /s, hit enter, we'll get this poll, I'll say yes, and right now I don't have any more that folder. Now if you want to go back to your C drive, just write C and you're back to C. But let's say I want to go back to C users user. How will I do that? Well, it's actually very easy. cd users /user, and I'm back to normal. Now, as I promised, because you stayed with me, let's transform our command prompt's interface to the matrix. So I'll say color 0A. As you can see, we have the background of black and the font color of green. But how to know what digits to put? You see, we have right over here 2 digits. The first digit represents the background color and the second digit represents the font color. So how to know what to put? Well, all you need to do is access the help center. You'll say color / and question mark, and as you can see, we could use these numbers and letters that represents each one a different color. What I used earlier was 0 and A, so when I said color 0A, it gives us a black background and a font color of green. Now if I say color FC, they can be lower or uppercase letter. And right now we have a white background and a red font color. Let's say color, and I'll say black, so 0, and light aqua, it is B. And that is something cool. So if I try color F9, we got a white background and a blue font color. So make sure to play around with this, and if you want to reset the color of your command prompt, all you need to do is write color and you're back to normal. Alright, this is it on how to change color in CMD. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to follow me on this command prompt tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. This is Texent, and I'll see you in the next one.